Good morning all of you. In last video we discussed about the competition in various sports at national and international level, and today's topic is Khelo India program. According to the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, the Khelo India program has been to introduced to revive the sports culture in India at the grassroots level by building a strong framework for all sports played in our country and establish India as a great sporting nation. Khelo India School Games KISG. Khelo India School Games KISG are a part of Khelo India program held annually in January and February. Now the name has been changed to Khelo India Youth Games KIYZ. They are held at national level for two categories, namely under 17-year school student and under 21 college students. The main purpose of this program is to search the talent from grassroots. Every year, 1,000 best performers receive an annual scholarship of rupees 5 lakh for 8 years to prepare themselves for the international sporting events. There are 16 disciplines in which an athlete participate, which are follows: archery, athletics, badminton, wrestling, weightlifting, football, kho-kho, gymnastic, kabaddi, volleyball, basketball, judo, swimming, shooting, boxing and hockey. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated Khelo India School Games on 31 January 2018. In February 2019, he also launched the Khelo India app at the Indian Youth Parliament. Selection criteria for Khelo India: children below the age of 17 are eligible to participate in Khelo India program. In the individual sports, top 8 sportspersons from the School Games Federation of India's National School Games will be selected. First 4 nominations from Federation, 1 from Central Board of Secondary Education, 1 from the host state, 2 wildcard entries. In team sports, the top 4 from the National School Games will be selected. 8 nominations by the Federation, 1 from CBSE, 1 from the host state, 1 from the organizing committee, 6 from the wildcards will be selected. Benefits of the Khelo India program. Khelo India program will be provide world-class facilities to each and every child of the country. Every year an opportunity is given to athletes to showcase their skills. Other benefits of the Khelo India programs are as follows. First, the scholarship can support the training and preparation expenditures of the athletes coming from the rural background. Second, under this program, synthetic athletics tracks, synthetic hockey field, synthetic turf football ground, swimming pools, multi-purpose hall, and stadium will be built. Next, around 20 million children will be included in the National Physical Fitness Campaign. Fourth, this program facilitates the constructions of quality sports complex even in the rural areas of our countries. Under this program, 1000 best performer will be selected and they will be given a scholarship of rupees 5 lakh for 8 years.